channel for another video. Today is actually day 2 of our summer break from our homeschooling year, and I am getting ready to tackle some end of the year cleaning out of things, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me for that. I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Needed. I'll have more to share on them here in a second. So if you guys are new to my channel, you may not know, but a few years ago, I created the homeschool summer prep list. This was taken right out of the notes section of my iPhone of things that I do to prepare for a homeschool year throughout the summer. I like to get a lot of this done pretty much immediately once we are done with our homeschool year, so that way for about 6 weeks I can just completely exhale, not be worried about anything homeschooling related. And so if you want to grab this, it is totally free. I'll link to it down below. This is everything that I do. You may do things differently, but at least it'll give you kind of a good place to start, or really help you if you're someone who struggles to feel prepared. So we are going to be getting started with the number one thing on the list, which is cleaning out everything. You can do it in any order you want to. That just happens to be the first thing. So we're going to be cleaning out desks. We're going to be cleaning out curriculum that we're done with, that's used. Anytime I do a clean out video, people always ask me, what do you save? What do you get rid of? So I really only save things that are sentimental. My state doesn't require that I keep a portfolio or anything like that. And so all I hold on to are things for memories. So as much as it pains me to see all of the hard work that is contained in our language arts books and math books and different things like that get recycled, that's what happens with all that stuff. So we are gonna jump in. I hope you guys enjoy cleaning things out with me. I hope this motivates you to clean things out, and stay tuned on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna be posting all kinds of videos as I do things throughout the summer to prepare for our new school year. I always like to clean things out before I even attempt to reorganize or move our schoolroom around or anything like that. So this is step 1, but there will be more videos coming. Today's video is brought to you guys in partnership with Needed. A few months back, I discovered Needed. I was actually researching something for sleep and relaxation, and I came across Needed sleep and relaxation support. I read the reviews and I said, you know, I need to give this a try. I am happy to report that this has helped me so much. And not only that, but the ingredients in Needed's products are amazing. Needed is super passionate and has all of their products, whether it's the immune support like this, whether it's sleep and relaxation support, or if you're someone who is looking to expand and grow their family, they have fertility support for both men and women. And all of their products at Needed are made with the right nutrients and bioavailable forms. So simply put, just super easy for the body to digest and grab all those nutrients and benefits out of it. So the sleep and relaxation support is for anyone. It's formulated by experts, third-party tested. The powder mixes perfectly and it tastes like a cup of chamomile tea. I love this stuff. And then the immune support, which is what I've had out on my counter for the last week, can be given to kids. It can be taken by you, so the whole family can use this. And I have just been dosing everybody up on their immune support before we get ready to travel. So if you guys want to check out any of Needed's products, I highly encourage you to go check out their website. I have a 20% off discount code that you guys can use that I'll put right here on the screen, as well as in the description box, to save 20% off on your order from Needed. And you can take advantage of a huge savings. So 20% is pretty awesome, and I know you guys will love Needed. So head over to their site and check them out. All right, you guys, this is everything that I cleaned out. These are huge black trash bags, the kind for landscaping. I don't even know if this is gonna hold up as I try to carry it down the stairs. But it's full, this one's full, and then I pulled out some other boxes and random things. So everything's cleaned out, which feels super good, and organization and all that will take place at another time. But for now, I know that everything is cleaned out. So that's gonna be it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed cleaning things out with me. Step 1, check off the summer prep list. Don't forget you can grab yours for free down below in the description box. And don't forget you can save 20% on anything from Needed when you use my code. The link in the code is down in the description box. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again in my next one really soon. Bye, friends.